Hello everyone, welcome to my introduction blog. My name is Taylor Murata. I am 23 years old. My favorite color is maroon and I love, love, love hiking. I also love animals, being outdoors, and planting. Anything having to do with outdoors, dirtback riding, hiking, walking, just running with my dog or without my dog, and then planting. In the top right corner, you will see me holding a watermelon that I was able to pick. It was not ripe, which I was very sad about that I picked it because I could have waited. But the bottom right is of our pumpkins at my preschool. We got a grant for our outdoor preschool or our outdoor garden, and we have spinach, lettuce, radishes, bunch of flowers, and pumpkins. So hopefully by the fall we are able to have some pumpkins. Now here to the left are my lovely co-teachers. I currently just resigned from Castaic Community Preschool located at Castaic Middle School in Santa Clarita. I love these girls. I was with them for 3 years and they were a savior, especially during COVID. We were open the entire year, so it was definitely nice to have my superheroes next to me. To the right, you will see the local Santa Clarita Soccer Center is where I had my first job, and that's where I found out I wanted to work with kids. I was a little kickers coach, and I taught from 16 months all the way up to 9 years old. So that wide range definitely led me to love every age in their own way. Below that is a picture of me working at Sunshine. I worked at their preschool and at their after school. So this is a group of kiddos with my co-teacher having fun at Magic Mountain, being super silly, but this has all led me to where I am today. I have graduated from COC in 2019 with my associates in early childhood education, and just recently graduated with my bachelor's in 2020 in educational studies. So now I am on to getting my credential, which I'm very close. I start student teaching in the fall, and then I will be finishing my master's just like you guys, and we will be on our way to having our careers. Lastly, this is my family. So I have my boyfriend in the top left corner. He is amazing. He is a journeyman lineman. Not a lineman as a football player, a lineman. He climbs electrical poles. He does all of the outside wiring that you may see around your house. Below that are my parents. That is my mom and my dad, and they are my big supporters of my entire career and just wanting what's best for me. On the top right, or I guess in the middle, is my niece and nephew, Bentley, who is 9, and Cole, who is 10. They are my sole purpose of teaching and wanting a better life for those kiddos. Below is my boyfriend's family. They have also been a big support throughout my journey, the past 5 years of us being together. To the far right is a picture of me and my best friend, Jenny. She unfortunately was hit by a car my senior year of high school and passed away. However, has been the biggest support system of why I want to do what I want to do. So this is just a constant reminder of these important things that lead me to want to be a better person and a better educator and make a world that people want to live in. So that's a little bit about me, and I can't wait to hear about you guys. Thank you for watching.